Alright, so today we're checking out this BROWEY 120 watt solar panel. It's portable and it also folds up. It's a 4-panel solar panel. And just a quick look around here. Got this canvas material here. You have these stands. So these pop up and you can set an angle about 45 degrees. And we got a handle here on top. Over here in the back we have a couple of these little holes that you can use. There's some included hooks so you can attach this to like the side of a vehicle or something to hang. And look at the panel itself. It's pretty typical. It's got this ETFE lamination, so it is dust proof and waterproof, and looks pretty typical for the price range of this solar panel. I think it, with the discount, the coupon, everything, it's coming in like around $140, $150. So in the front here we have a pouch, unzips here. You can read some of the specs if you want. Yeah, so basically we have an 18-volt panel here. Here's the folded size, the weight. It does come with USB outputs, both A and C. And here's the output here. I have a DC output here with this basically barrel connector cable, and the other end is also a barrel connector. So this is the main output, 120 watts. There's also USB-C here at up to 45 watts, and you got two USB-As that are quick charge 3.0 up to 24 watts. You get a couple of these carabiners here that are included, and you can use those holes here at the top of the solar panel to hang off of something. This is what this is for. And here are the DC adapters. So there's 10 of these, so they should work with a wide variety of power stations that use a barrel plug connector for DC input. And here's the manual. So the default barrel connector on here does work with the BROWEY power station that I reviewed a few weeks back. Actually, maybe it was a couple months ago. It's the one that had the folding solar panel that's included on top, included into the power station itself, integrated into the power station. So that's what I used for this test, and had this laid down on the ground. Fairly optimal angle. Pretty bright day, no clouds in the sky. About the best part of the day here, and the panel's rated for up to 120 watts, but on this day I was getting approximately 92-ish watts on this power station, so that's about right in terms of what to expect, because typically on most of these solar panels they'll be rated for more than what they can actually produce. So for this one being 120, producing about 90, that's about average for a lot of the power stations that I've tested in the past. Anyway, that's going to cover for this review of the BROWEY 120 watt portable folding solar panel. Link will be in the video description if you guys want to check it out. That'll do it for this one. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.